Okay, so I've tried to recreate what we had before. Here's the sun. Here's the Earth with its two crazy tidal bulges. Once we include the moon has the same kind of effect. If I draw the moon here, this bulge is going to be even larger because it's being pulled harder toward it. But this side of the Earth is left behind, so the bulge will even be bigger on that side. With this drawing, the moon behind Earth in relation to the sun, this is full moon. Okay? In my drawing, the left side of the moon would be illuminated because the sun's over here. Us on Earth looking, we'd see full moon. Full moon corresponds to very high tides because the moon and the sun, even though they're on opposite sides, they kind of work together because of this effect where the far side is left behind, creating a tidal bulge. When the moon's over here, that's new moon. We can't see the moon because the left side is lit up. When we look at the moon, we don't see it, okay, because it's not bright. New moon and full moon result in the highest tides for the same reason. It's working together with the sun, producing these large tidal bulges that I'm realizing now look terrible in my drawing, but it's more about the ideas. New moon and full moon, you call these spring tides. I mean, gosh, you don't need to know that, but you can impress your friends or maybe win trivia someday. Okay, those are the highest tides. The lowest tides are when the moon are in its quarter phases. Okay, so up here, the left side of the moon would be lit up from the sun. We would look, this would be actually third quarter to us. This would be first quarter to us. These are the weakest tides. If I'm going to draw what the tidal bulges will look like, here's the regular Earth. If the moon is, say, up here, we get a tidal bulge from the sun, another one on the other side, tidal bulge from the moon, another one on this side. These don't overlap. You have 4 tidal bulges on Earth that don't overlap. Those are the smallest tides. When it's new or full moon, you get only 2 tidal regions that are very high. At the quarter phases of the moon, these are called neap tides. Which again, where else do you see that word neap? Those are the lowest tides. There are more tidal regions on Earth during neap tide, but they are not as high. The tides aren't as dramatic. And again, I'm just giving you some information to make you sound interesting at parties. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. There'll be a few questions, but like I said, I'm taking it easy on you today. If you have questions about tides or the moon, please let me know. I love talking about it.